Hi students, today we are going to discuss an important named reaction in amines, that is Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. The main theme of this reaction is we have to prepare primary amines. Preparation of primary amines here we are doing. How we are preparing primary amines by this method means an amide treated with bromine. Remember, 1 mole, that is 1 unit of bromine only we have to use. That is also important. In this reaction, every point is very important. In Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction, how many moles of bromine is going to be used? Only we have to use bromine. Chlorine, fluorine, iodine we should not use. Why? Because bromamide reaction means bromine amide. Bromamide nothing but bromine amide. And NaOH we have to use whether aqueous form or alcoholic form. You can take aqueous solution of NaOH or alcoholic NaOH. This is the special. That is next very important thing. In this reaction, migration of alkyl or aryl group from carbonyl group of amide to N, that is nitrogen atom will be takes place. Keyword this is migration of alkyl group or aryl group from carbonyl group of amide to nitrogen will be takes place. Later I will explain in the mechanism how it will be takes place. Next, most important point, another point, amine formed in this reaction, that is primary amine, contains 1 carbon less than in amide. So amide to amine we are preparing now. So that amine which we are preparing having less carbons than amide which we are taking. So product side you are getting the amine having less carbon than reactant side which you are taking amide. These the 4 keywords which we have to remember very thoroughly in this reaction. What the reaction will be takes place, how reaction will be takes place. See here, we have to take amide. You know very well amide, R N, that is sorry, CO NH2. Only NH2 is there, amine. CONH2 is there, amide. We have to treat with bromine 1 unit plus NaOH aqueous or alcoholic. NaOH alcoholic or aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Then what you are getting? Primary amines you are getting. Primary amines. Look here, last point. Amine which we are preparing here having 1 carbon less than amide. See here, this is the carbon. R means alkyl or aryl having carbon. But here 1, 2. 2 carbons are there. 2 carbons are there. But you have here only 1 carbon. And the byproducts you are getting, sodium carbonate. Byproducts what you are getting? Sodium carbonate, NaBr and water. Byproducts what you are getting? Sodium carbonate plus, here I am writing NaBr, sodium bromide plus water. These are we have the byproducts. 2 NaBr, 2 units, 2 water molecule, 4 NaOH. So generally organic reactions no need to balance, but somewhere we have to try to balance. And this is the reaction. And generally students getting the problem, amide means simply you have to remove this CO group. You remove this CO group, you write the product. amide group, amide, we have amide na? In amide CO group is there. That you remove and this or this NH2 you attach. The product you are getting. Simple. But this NaBr, sodium carbonate, water, these byproducts forming is the getting problem. Let I am explaining in mechanism how these all are going to be formed. So I am going to explain in detail mechanism how Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction takes place. So observe carefully, it will be benefitable for you. First we have to take amide R C double bond O N H2. So I am splitting NH2 like this. This will be react with NaOH. Clear? NaOH. I am writing like this, Na plus OH minus. Am I right? You know, sodium is positive, OH is negative. And this bond is going to be shifted to here. Then it will be plus and this is minus. This plus and minus going to be react. Then elimination of water will be takes place. Clear? This OH and H. So elimination of water when takes place, the intermediate you are getting R bond CO. We didn't change anything. And N we have same. But we shifted bond to here. That's why one lone pair here coming. So nitrogen getting negative charge. Nitrogen getting negative charge. So nitrogen having negative charge. One lone pair is shifted here. Clear? That is the reaction. Next step. Next step, we took already 1 unit of bromine. You know very well 1 unit of bromine we take. And this I am writing Br bond Br. And you take as one is del minus, one is del plus. Then one negative, one positive. See here negative is there. This is positive, temporary charges, and it will be attack here. This will be moved out. Means we are removing here Br minus. When we remove Br minus, the remaining you are getting like this. The remaining part. Next intermediate. What you are getting next intermediate? Look here. What type of intermediate you are getting here? I am clearly showing to you. Then you go for a small disturbance and then you go for this. Next intermediate what you are getting. See here we attached one bromine. Then this bromine will remove. Then you are getting R bond C double bond O N. We have here N and this H I am writing downside and this bromine attached here. So this is one intermediate you are getting. Next, what happened? Next we have here attacking of NaOH. So NaOH going to be attack. Na plus OH minus. Clear? And you go for this is plus, this we shifted to here. Clear? This we have to shift towards the nitrogen. This is plus and this minus will attack on this. Again we are removing water molecule. See here we removed water molecule and here one water molecule. Total 2 water molecule we removed. we removed. The next step intermediate you are getting, that is R bond C double bond O N Br. We shifted the bond towards nitrogen. Nitrogen getting negative charge. Nitrogen getting negative charge. Clear? Next step is very important step. This is we are calling RDS, rate determining step. What we are calling rate determining step. Sometimes they will ask rate determining, which is the rate determining step, like that also. So just what happened here, look. Here I told migration of alkyl or aryl group from carbonyl group of amide to nitrogen. Look here. This is carbonyl group of amide and this is alkyl group, or you can take aryl also. This will be migrate to nitrogen. This will be migrate to nitrogen. Clear? So this bond is going to be break minus, and immediately this nitrogen negative charge is there shifted to here. The respective intermediate you are getting, that is this bond is going to be break now. O double bond C double bond N Br. This is the intermediate you are getting. Now this alkyl group will attack in next step. Next step, this alkyl group is there now, R minus as a nucleophile. This will attack on this nitrogen. This bond is going to be break. This bond is going to be break. Clear? Then the next intermediate you are getting. Next intermediate, when it is going to be shifted to here, O double bond C double bond N, R is bonded here, R. Bromine is out. So eliminated bromine. Bromine is eliminated. Then immediately in next step, water molecule come into play. Water molecule come into play for the reaction. Water will attack here. So you know very well water, and this carbon having 4 bonds now already. Water I am taking here like this. O, H, H. 2 lone pairs are there. This bond is shifted to here now. Then this carbon getting free valency, it will attack on here. Water will attack on here. Clear? Water will be attacked. The next you are getting, next step, next intermediate you are getting that. See here. O double bond C bond N bar R minus, here carbon attached water molecule. Carbon attached water molecule. Clear? When carbon is attached water molecule, nitrogen has negative charge now. So this bond is going to be break. This hydrogen will attack on here. This is plus. This is plus. Clear? Then you are getting next intermediate. Next intermediate, O double bond C double bond C. Here we have OH. OH bond N, H bond R. Clear? This hydrogen we attached here. Next final step, to get the product. This bond is going to be shifted to here. Immediately this hydrogen here, it will be attacked on nitrogen. And this will be going to be break. This bond is shifted to here. Then elimination of carbon dioxide. We are removing carbon dioxide. Remaining part what we have, R, NH. We broke this bond already. This hydrogen is attached. Finally you are got RNH2. What you got? RNH2. This is 1 degree amine. What we are calling 1 degree amine. Clear? This is how Hoffman bromamide reaction will be takes place. So migration of alkyl group, RRL group, from amide group to nitrogen takes place. If you like this concept, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and be safe at home. Thank you.